श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि। नमस्ते मित्र। अद्य अयादिसन्धेः विशेषं तर्कयाव. We shall be discussing the ayadi sandhis, a few special rules that Panini has ordained. Yakara vakara lopaha iti prathamaha. Now the first thing that we know is yakara vakara lopa. That is, in the yantavanta desha sandhi, what have we seen? We have seen that a changes to aya, o changes to ava, aya changes to aya, and au changes to ava from the previous video. But here we see that after it changes to aya, ava, ava, yakara or the vakara, now this is the yakara, this is the vakara, lopaha, it disappears. Why does it disappear? It is just a vikalpa. It is by choice. You cannot include the ya or the va in the ayadi sandhi when it changes so, which means sometimes when depending on the author's will or the speaker's will, he can do the sandhi in such a manner that the I changes first to aya and then the ya disappears, finally resulting in just a. Similarly, au changes to av, but you can delete the va to get only a. And so with the a and the o also, to get hraswa, aya, ya goes away, a. In ava, va goes away, a. This is what happens. Now this is just by choice. But after you have utilized this privilege of deleting ya and va, you should not continue with any other sandhis between these two words. Which means in the purva and para, when you first operated the ayadi sandhi to get aya, ava, 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 you should not operate the sandhi again, or you should not continue with the sandhi if you are going to delete the ya or the va. After it becomes the a form, which is symbolized by this dash here, the underscore here, you should freeze it. You have to not perform any more sandhis. We shall see that with an example here. So sarve plus ete. Now these are the two words. Purvaksharam kim? A. Paraksharam? A. We know from ayadi sandhi that when the purvakshara is a, I, o, o, just operate ayadi sandhi without any further thought. And the parakshara can be anything because there is no restriction on that. And when it is a, change it to aya. By now you have to be familiar with what the adeshas are for a, I, o, o. So you change it to aya. Now yakara lopam kartum shakyate. You can delete the ya if you so wish. So you can just delete it and retain just the a. So it becomes sarva a ete. Sarva ete. Now just because after deleting the ya you have a and a, and if you can remember the vriddhi sandhi, now the condition is ripe to do the vriddhi sandhi, a plus a to become I, is it not? So there is an urge in people to do that vriddhi sandhi and make it sarvaite. Sarva a plus a becomes I, so aite, sarvaite. That is wrong, because if you want to exercise your privilege of deleting, your right to delete ya and va in the ayadi sandhi, you should stop it at that point and not continue with any more sandhis. So you are not allowed to do the vriddhi sandhi here also. So you just stop it at sarva and ete. and it should not become sarvaite at any cost. Sarva ete as it is with the blank space between them. But you could also just do the not delete the ya and continue with the ayadi sandhi. Then it would become sarvayete, ayete. See this? Aya will join with a to form aye, aye, aye. So it becomes sarvayete. Now you can see that you can more precisely hear that there is some similarity, and it is difficult to distinguish if you have deleted the ya or not. So sarvayete. This is sarvayete with the yakara and the vakara. This is without the yakara. So sarvaete, sarvayete, sarvayete, sarvaete. Okay. This is a choice. You can do it, or you may choose not to do so. Second example, tasmai plus ichha. Tasmai plus ichha. I yung e. I e. I iti asti ched ayadi sandhi. I changes to aya. I. So make I to I, then e remains as it is untouched. And then I. Now with the choice, if the user, let's say I am speaking this, so the ya I choose to delete the ya, so it becomes itself. And since I have utilized my right to delete it, now I have to follow the rule that you shouldn't do any more sandhis. And although there's the urge to do the guna sandhi a plus e is strong in me, I should refrain from from giving up and giving into the urge. A plus e should not result in a now because you have deleted the ya. So you have to just retain it as it is. So it becomes tasma ichha. Tasma ichha with a second pause between tasma ichha. And don't do the guna sandhi again here, because already you have done the ayadi, then you have done the lopa. Once you have done the lopa, no more sandhis. Pause it there, freeze it. Or you could also not delete it and just use the follow the ayadi sandhis algorithm to get tasma yichha, tasma yichha. Okay, tasma yichha with the ya is present here. No, everything else remains the same. Tasma yichha. In this example, third one, we'll just go quickly. Vishnu plus ayatu. Vishnu o plus a. O changes to av. Av plus a becomes ava in ayadi sandhi. However, if I choose to delete a, so then it becomes just a. If I choose to delete the va, this va vyanjana, it becomes just a. And here I have to stop doing any more sandhis and retain as it is. So it becomes Vishna ayatu. It is frozen. Vishna ayatu. Vishna ayatu. That's it. In the scenario that I chose not to delete the va, it becomes Vishnavayatu. Vishnav. See this av here? Vishnava avayatu. Vishnavayatu. Vishnavayatu. This is the Vanta Desha Sandhi. The fourth example here, tau plus upasthitau. Tau. What is the purvakshara? Au. Parakshara u. If a, I, o is there, do the ayadi sandhi. What is the replacement for au? What is the substitution? Av. Now I choose to delete the va. So it becomes ta. That's it. And then upasthitau. U. No more sandhis. Remain as it is. Ta upasthitau. Ta upasthitau. That's it. No more sandhis. No more sandhis in this scenario. But we have a lot to cover. So in the next video, we shall see the next sandhi, which is the Prakriti Bhava Sandhi. Dhanyavadaha.